welcome. Today in front of me Xiaomi Pad 5 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with this device. So we got two ways how we can do that. The first one, here in the tools folder you should find the scanner application. So just click here, just tap here to agree, click here to allow scanner to take pictures and record video, for example while using app. Just click here to allow, and now you should place the QR code here inside the frame. So we'll do that now. As can you see, as the result we find this website, the QR code website, and we can tap here to go to website. We'll click here, and just tap here, and as can you see, this QR code, this was the Wikipedia link. So that's how to scan QR codes on our device, and also we can do this by the by the same way. You just should open the top bar here, and you will find here the scanner icon. Just tap there, and by the same way you should just scan the QR code, and by the same way you will launch the